Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. So today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the message layout on Yahoo. To get started, let's open your Yahoo web app. For that, let's go to your browser. For now, I'm using Microsoft Edge. Here, search for Yahoo.com and then tap on the first link. It will open your Yahoo web app. Here, click on the inbox icon. It will navigate you to this interface. Now, to change your message layout, tap on Settings that is located on the right corner here. Scroll down, and you can see the option. For now, let's click Right. So, as you can see, your message layout is changed. In this way, you can change your message layout on Yahoo. So that wraps it up for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.